Okay, as you're working through your Entry 1 writing sample, we're getting to the tough part now. I want you to consider some things that you are looking for in the writing sample. Now, I want you to be the assessor. I want you to look and see if you can find in the writing sample evidences of some excellent characteristics of accomplished teaching, and make sure you understand what accomplished teaching is. And I've got these on the board for you, and we're going to talk about them as we go. And I want you to make sure that you get these. These are real exemplars of excellent teaching that if you will show, demonstrate, and give evidence of in your writing and in your videos, you will probably be very glad that you did. As you go through this, I want you to look for the following characteristics of accomplished teaching. Knowledge of students. Where do you see knowledge of students? How is it demonstrated? How do you know that that is a good teacher and their knowledge of students is sufficient to be an accomplished teacher? So look for knowledge of students and how that is evidenced. Secondly, look for appropriate assessment. Assessment is not necessarily a quiz. Assessment can be lots of different things, just questioning and answering, or just getting feedback from a student. That's assessment. But look in the writing sample where you see the really supported, appropriate assessment. You have to look for these, but this is the type of writing that you want to do. Thirdly, look for supported evidence. Look for not sweeping generalities, but evidence that is supported. It is specific. It is not general. Next, look for effective lesson preparation. This is very key. The preparation of your lesson that you teach your students, the preparation is important, and it creates a better teaching atmosphere when that lesson is prepared well. So look for effective lesson preparation in this Entry 1 writing sample. Then look for teacher as collaborator. Teacher working with the students. Teacher making the students a part of the process. Inclusiveness, we call it today. But teacher as collaborator, not just with the students in the classroom maybe as you're doing your portfolio and your documented accomplishments. Teacher as collaborator with the community, with parents. But look for teacher as collaborator in the writing sample. And then look for teacher as learner. This is also a part of your Entry 4, where you grow as a professional, where you learn from what you have done correctly, what you have done incorrectly, and from others. So look for teacher as learner. Look for evidence of goal setting. Setting goals is really, really important in the national board process. One of the tenets of accomplished teaching is that you know where your students are, you know where they should go and how to get them there, and how to measure if you were successful. So look for goal setting, and look for student accountability, where students have a part in the process, perhaps the creation of an event or teaming with the teacher, and in the assessment. And as I told you earlier, student created rubrics or teacher-student collaborating on rubrics is an excellent entry. So look for these things as you go through writing sample Entry 1.